Here we have a 2013 Toyota GT86. This vehicle comes with 18-inch Bowler alloy wheels. All of them are unmarked and in excellent condition. They also really suit the look of the car in my opinion. We have the LED DRL headlights, the exterior white pearl paintwork, which looks just stunning in the sunlight, the front canards. We also have the second alloy wheel, again in excellent condition, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the wind deflectors. We have the louve for the rear windows. We also have the big rear spoiler, tinted taillights, Scorpion dual exit exhaust, which sounds just incredible. And this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Let's come around now, let's take a quick look at the interior. So inside of here you'll find the half leather interior with the red stitching. We also have the electric windows just on the doors if the camera will focus. We have the electric power folding mirrors as well. There is a look at the steering wheel, which has cruise control stalk just down there. We also have the auto lights over here, and there is a look at the dashboard just there. On the center console you find a little infotainment screen. We also have the 6-speed manual gearbox, along with the sport mode button and the heated seats buttons. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you would like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.